Hi, most of the times we would have faced broken suitcase wheels such as this. So today I'm going to give you a solution which can fix these wheels for 10 rupees or around 10 cents. Let's see how we are going to do this. So I have epoxy putty with me. These are also otherwise called as M-seal. This is used in plumbing applications to seal the joints. So we're going to use this same mixture to apply it on the suitcase wheels which are broken. Two compounds of M-seal would give us a mixture like this. So we're going to apply on the broken wheel now. You don't have to worry about unevenness of the surface because once you start using it, the surface would eventually become even. So this is how we add it, and then we let it dry. So this is how the suitcase wheel looks like after the M-seal has been applied and dried. The surface looks a little bit uneven, but that's not a cause for concern. A few times of rollover will eventually make it smoothen. So I can show an example of another wheel. So you can see this was applied earlier, but the wheel surface is fairly smoothened out now. Thanks for watching.